On today's video you're gonna find out how to replace a steering wheel on one of these Renault Clios, and of course this video will get 20,000 views like always when we do something completely random on one of these cars. So we'll be taking this off, putting this on. So first off we have the steering wheel adapter, or the boss, whatever you wanna call it, with the including resistors, bolts and all that jizz. As we untangle it, we reveal this basket. Looks pretty good, standard, nothing special actually. And now for the main thing, which is a steering wheel for Subarus and Alphas, but we're gonna put it on a Renault, whatever. Ta-da! There it is. It has fancy letters, so it's cool. So we're gonna put it on. So yeah, we're gonna find out all about installing this in this video. First things first, unplug the battery. Usually it's in the front, don't get confused. So you don't want to explode airbags in your face, so just keep that in mind. The next step, we want to take this airbag piece off.
And I don't even know if it's going or not.
It's fine.
Oh yeah.
You have to unplug. Yes, you heard me right, you have to unplug.
I'm afraid of what to do.
Oh yeah, one connector there and one here. Should be good.
Yeah.
Simple enough, unplug this, yank this out of the airbag, and it is done. Now you have the old horn buttons there. We'll remove all that, and of course the main Torx bolt, which unbolts the steering wheel.
We'll have to adjust it anyway.
Yeah, center it, and
check
then
the wheels. Is it
yes,
good?
the car is straight, and then take the key out and lock the steering wheel so it's not gonna move.
That's it.
So yeah,
It's locked.
now we just need a giant ratchet and some power to unbolt this. To remove the steering wheel properly, you need to be in a
Oh yes.
special position.
Yes, it's
Yeah,
like so, and then it goes off.
wasn't too bad. Sometimes these are really tight, so it's pretty good. And now what you want to do is not unbolt it completely, put it back in. Have you not watched Mighty Car Mods?
No.
Come on! Now you yank the steering wheel off so it goes out and it comes off the, so you don't punch yourself in the face. Yeah, it might be really tight on it, so you might need a lot of persuasion. You might need a spitting on it will not make the process any easier.
Oh. Okay, the bolt is nice and. Oh yeah, baby.
Baby.
Take it. Take it.
Okay,
Now
bye.
you can see them. Oh! The cables are in, and
See, that's pretty good. Pretty tight. I think we're good. So, hub is on, tightened. Now we have two connectors, and
this is for the airbag.
yes. Now what we want to do is we want to put in an airbag resistor, so we're not gonna have an airbag light. And then there's these two to connect your horn, but right now we don't have any horn brackets or whatever, so we're gonna do that some next time. But mostly we just want to put this airbag thing on. It just has two pins, I guess, which you shove into this,
Yeah.
into these two holes, like
I
these two
guess.
pins,
And
and it's
then
just this resistor. So
for something like
That's
I guess
horn.
those two goes.
so then they go to the switches of the horn. Right now we just need this one. That should be it.
I have so many questions about this.
Yeah, I guess this will need some taping or whatever, so it won't fall off.
Okay. So the last thing. Oh yeah.
Oh.
That is sexy.
Oh.
You have to admit it. That is sexy.
And you know it.
We should upload this to Pornhub because this is
Yeah.
porn. And it's already
YouTube,
scratched.
don't flag this, please.
Yeah, exactly. For nudity and sexual content. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. And it's already scratched. No. I constantly have this fear. Everything electric that I do on this car, that something will either burn down or explode or something. Partly because it's French. Partly because it hates me. So yeah,
Partly because you're blood.
And then it says we found the instructions
Yeah.
after we
After we installed it, we found instructions.
yes.
So don't worry about it. Everything we did is correct, actually. You won't believe.
Yeah, you wouldn't believe it. Yeah. Okay. Oh my god, it feels so much better.
Yes, we have successfully installed the steering wheel. So now please like, comment, subscribe. If you get this to 20k likes, we'll give this away.
Yes, exactly.
So good luck with that. I will lose the steering wheel virginity.
Yeah, I can hear all the cables in there like. It's
fine.
actually pretty weird to drive because the wheel is so much smaller.
It's like half the size of the OEM one.
It's like it's so fucking weird. Like, oh my god, you have to turn it some more now. Oh.
Be happy you have power steering.
Yes,
Otherwise, it will be like
Yes.
3 times as hard.
but it feels so much better. Like, and it's going straight. Woo.
Of course it does.
Actually, it's not. It's kind of weird. Like, this is straight. Like, don't understand. It's like super hard to turn. See, this is kind of straight. Oh well.
Dude.
Yeah, we'll just stop in the middle of a certain field, like a field we always go to, and then we'll redo it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, because we have everything with us anyway. It's gonna be great. I mean, it feels better in your hand. That's kind of the only plus I can see now. It doesn't go straight. This is not straight. Look at that. I'm doing the turn.
Yeah, today we have successfully installed the steering wheel.
Yeah.
No problems whatsoever. Pretty simple. Works. It's straight. And
It's
that's how you
very-
install a steering wheel. It's cool, or I guess. If that's your thing. It's a race car. It's smaller. It's harder to turn, but you get all the tuner points.
I mean, the feeling itself is better
Yeah, man.
because you can.
It obviously feels better than that.
Holy shit!
It's a boat steering
Like-
wheel.
Like, you know, it's yeah. It's quite a difference.
You could steer a truck with this.
Yeah, and the biggest one is that these points are
Yeah, it's
are closer together, so you can get a better grip on the wheel itself.
It's like more solid. This one's more
Yeah.
like rubbery.
And if you can compare it, you see like, look at my fingers, my thumb. You can't
yeah,
grab it
it's
very well, and you can just like your ex. I mean, scratch that, but yes, you know, it's it's much better. So I'm definitely satisfied with it. Now we're just waiting for the horn brackets, and then that should be.
So yeah, great video. Subscribe here. Click on this video here. Like, comment, and shit. And yes,
Good stuff.
like this.
Like that, yes.